Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to download Fortnite app on PC. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have already downloaded this Epic Games Launcher app. This app is used to download other gaming apps as well. So let's get into it and search for the app you want to download. So here it is. Now click on in library over here. Now click on install. You can place this in any location you want and click on install. Installation process can take few minutes. We need to wait till then. Once the installation process completes, you will be able to find the app in the folder you have added it to. So this is all we need to do to download Fortnite app in our PC. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.